My dear friends, my dear friends.
Now sit down, Kennedy.
I am KR Gopinath. You can call me KRG. Lord Krishna's simple teaching on rain, food and life. Chapter 3, verse 14. Annadu bhavati bhudani parjanyadu anna sambhava yajnadu bhavati parjanya yajna karma samudhava. You can see in Bhagavad Gita Chapter 3 and slogan 14. My dear friends, today I want to share with you one of the simplest and most powerful teachings of Lord Krishna. A teaching that shaped my life. A teaching that connects nature, rain, food, and our own actions, our daily actions. Our Lord Krishna beautifully says in the Bhagavad Gita, living beings depend on food. Food depends on rain. And rain depends on yajna. What is yajna, you want to know? That is sacred action done with the right mind. That is called yajna. Yajna is born from selfless, pure actions. Actions meaning karma. Let me explain in the simplest way by giving a small formula. GGPA formula. G plus P plus I, that means rain plus food plus life. G for good thoughts. Again G for good work. P for pure deeds. I, intention, selfless intention. When these four combine, nature responds with rain, food, prosperity and life itself. Good thoughts plus good work plus pure deeds and selfless intention equal to rain, food and life. Understanding yajna in daily life. Many people think yajna means only fire rituals or Vedic ceremonies. But Lord Krishna's meaning is much broader. Yajna means doing your work honestly, working with a clean, sincere mind, helping nature, not wasting water, not harming the Mother Earth, acting without selfishness. When your intention is pure, the work becomes yajna. What is aburwa? A Sanskrit powerful word. Aburwa meaning the invisible power. Our Lord Krishna explains that pure actions generate an invisible spiritual force called aburwa. A subtle energy that connects our actions to nature's response. Let me explain. With some examples. Example number 1. Sun and seawater. Sun heats seawater. Water becomes invisible vapor. And that vapor becomes clouds. And clouds bring rain. That invisible vapor is like aburwa. Example 2. Burning waste. Waste burns. Then it becomes invisible gas, carbon dioxide. Plants and trees inhale it. Plants grow. This invisible transformation is also known as aburwa. Example 3. When a person works honestly, thinks good thoughts, prays sincerely, respects nature, his mind generates a powerful, invisible energy. That energy is aburwa. No fire, no smoke, not mantras. But purity of heart creates this invisible force. My dear farmers, my dear brothers and sisters, when you respect soil, water, trees, and animals, when you do not waste rainwater, when you work without cheating the nature, you are performing the real yajna. This yajna produces aburwa, the invisible positive energy. That aburwa helps clouds to form, rain to fall, grains to grow, life to flourish. Good thoughts give good work. Good work gives good energy. Good energy gives clouds. Clouds give rain. And rain gives food. And food gives our life. This is Sri Krishna's eco-spiritual cycle which all of us should follow. My dear friends, remember this one very clearly. Rain is not only a gift from God. Rain is also a gift.
Rain is not only
Rain is not only a gift from God. Rain is also gift of our conduct. When we work honestly, when we protect nature, nature responds with rain, water, and food. When we live in harmony with nature, nature supports us in every possible way. My dear young farmers, you are not just farmers. You are representatives of that superpower, our God. Your respect for soil is yajna. Your care for water is prayer. Your hard work becomes rain because pure work creates pure rain. If this message inspired you, do share it with your friends. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel KRG Vision.